الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبيه محمد سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Dear audience, today I will shed some light on the subject that Islam brought about the educational revolution in the world. Nowadays, education is considered to be a gift of this modern age, but in fact it is only Islam which laid down the foundation of education and took it to unprecedented heights. It is an established truth that Islam has not only laid much emphasis on education, rather it is the messenger of knowledge and leader of an education revolution. Other civilizations put education in the category of necessities of life, but Islam regarded it the utmost necessities of each human being. Dear audience, unlike other religions and civilizations, Islam termed education as basic right of every individual in the society. The Greece and China made extraordinary progress in the field of education and art, but they also did not fear the education for all. Plato has also dreamed of democracy and equality, but he also could not go beyond education for some particular segments of the society. In India, which once was the center of education and art, a lower caste person was not even allowed to hear the Vedic scriptures. None can deny the glory of Nalanda and Taxila universities. But after all, the fact is that the common people were always deprived of education in Hindu periods. Education was only the monopoly of higher classes of the society. When the sun of Islam was enlightening the world, Europe was passing through dark ages of history. The scientists, artists, and men of learning were tortured, and sometimes even they were tortured to death. Similarly, ignorance was prevailing all over Arabia. There was neither a school, nor a college, or a library. Quraysh, the head of all tribes in Arabia, had only 17 persons who knew writing in 570 AD. The first slogan that Islam chanted in this horrible atmosphere was about education. When the sun of Islam rose, inviting the Europe was passing through. The first slogan that Islam chanted in this horrible atmosphere was about education. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.